Hell nah. I
Good
mean, if you
afternoon.
guys like him, that's fine with me. But
This
for
is the
me,
2 o'clock
not my
p.m.
cup of tea.
initial appearance calendar for December the 11th of 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar day of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. I'll now read the victim's rights advisement. If
I
you are
never
the
seen this.
victim of
I
a
never
crime
seen
with
this
a case
judge.
pending before this court, you're advised that you have rights under Arizona law that, among others, include the right to be treated with fairness, respect, and dignity, to a speedy trial, to be present in court proceedings, to choose whether or not to be interviewed by the defendant or the defendant's attorney, to be heard by the court, to be heard before the court makes a decision on release and negotiation of plea, scheduling and sentencing, and to receive restitution from a person who is convicted of causing you loss. If you've not already been
That's right, Haley. Hey,
provided
man, I'm
with
glad you
a
made it.
written statement of all victims' rights, please contact the Victim Services Division of the Prosecutor's Office.
Damn.
Ladies
That's
and gentlemen,
crazy.
we're here today for an initial appearance calendar. What that means is you're going to hear what the allegations are against you. You're going to hear whether or not you're going to be appointed counsel. You're going to hear whether or not you're going to hear about your next court dates, and you're going to hear about your release conditions. As I call you up, I'm going to say your name to the podium. That means you come to the podium here in the middle of the room to do your initial appearance. When I say to the chair or on deck, you will see a chair by the door in the gallery. That means you're next up. So please proceed to that chair. With that, let's begin. Let's start with number 5, Oscar Blanco to the podium. Number 28, Alexis Salas to the chair. You're on deck.
On deck. After a month and a half. Hey, that's right. It's always good to get a second opinion or multiple opinions if you can.
Good afternoon, sir. Please give me your name and date of birth.
Oscar Blanco, May 13, 89.
Thank you very much. We're here on 2 cases.
What up, Maria?
First is a Superior Court new case, and the second is a Superior Court bench warrant. As to the first case, we're here on 4 allegations. The first, possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4
What up,
felony.
Pancho?
The second, possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. The third, possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. The fourth, shoplifting, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I found probable cause as to all of those allegations. As to both cases, I'm going to appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you. You have court dates coming up across both cases. And I'm just looking across the 2 to keep them straight. So, common to both cases, you're going to have court on December the 17th, 2025, and December the 19th of 2025 between the new case and the probation violation case. That is going to be at 8:30 in the morning at the Downtown Superior Court. The new case is a status conference, a preliminary hearing. The second case is a probation violation arraignment and disposition hearing. Often that trails along, and they combine those on the calendar. They don't always, but they often do. Okay.
All right.
As to the new case, you have an additional court date for an evidentiary hearing on December the 18th of 2025 at 1:30 p.m.
Okay.
As to the issue of bail, on the new case, pursuant to Arizona law, there's an allegation of a new felony offense committed while out on felony release. Therefore, pursuant to Arizona law, I'm unable to admit you to bail. Therefore, I'm holding you without bail on the new case, marked number 5 on the calendar. That evidentiary hearing has to do with you, whether you may or may not be admitted to bail at some point in the future. Please talk to counsel as to how you're going to approach that evidentiary hearing. As to the probation violation case, I'm going to set bail in the amount of $1,000, affirming the amount set in the bench warrant. In the event that you do get released on this case, I am going to order that you submit to supervision from pretrial services with drug testing and monitoring, other release conditions reduced to writing in the paperwork that you will receive. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
Hey, KND, thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Please step to your left.
That was definitely not going anywhere anytime soon.
Number 28, Alexis Salas to the podium. Number 12, Edward Gonzalez to the chair.
I've never seen this judge before. This will
Good
be my
afternoon,
first
sir.
time.
Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Alexis Salas, 2/12/1997.
Thank you very much. We're here on two cases. The first is a Superior Court grand jury warrant. The second is a Superior Court bench warrant. As to the first case, the allegations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 counts. One count of fraud schemes, a Class 2 felony. One count of conspiracy, Class 2 felony. One count of theft, Class 3 felony. One count of illegal conduct of an enterprise, Class 3 felony, and 3 counts of organized retail theft, Class 4 felony.
A fair use sticker.
Just a moment. 28 will be a reprint.
Well, that's why I put the for educational purpose sticker also.
As to both cases, I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you. You have court dates coming up. The first is a, not guilty arraignment on your grand jury case on December the 18th of 2025. That's at 8:30 in the morning to Downtown Superior Court. Otherwise, for your
What up, Lay?
bench warrant case, you have court for a status conference and preliminary hearing on December the 17th and December the 19th, respectively, both at 8:30 in the morning at the Downtown Superior Court. As to the bench warrant case, I'm going to impose set bond in the amount of $1,000 secured appearance. In the event that you post bond, I'm ordering that you submit to supervision through pretrial services with drug testing and monitoring, other conditions reduced to writing in the written orders that you will receive. Do you have questions for me, sir?
No, I was just wondering about, I have an infection and I had to go to the hospital. That's why I missed the last court I had. I sent a letter in, the caseworker sent a letter in, but I don't know why I still got a warrant.
Understood, sir. It sounds like you may have some information that you may want to relate to counsel as to the release conditions. So I will leave that conversation for between yourself and counsel and affirm the bond amounts that I fixed for today. Any other questions?
So I'm going to get help today?
Yes, sir. All right. Thank you very much. Please step to your left.
Hey, thank you, 777 for that, Dolphin. Highly
Number
appreciate
12, Edward Gonzalez to the podium. Number 15, Connor Duncan to the chair. Good afternoon, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Edward Gonzalez, 1491.
1491?
Me, thank you.
Is that right? Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
This is a Superior Court new case on 4 different allegations. The first,
I think it is,
possession of dangerous drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony. The second, possession of narcotic drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony. The third, misconduct with body armor, a Class 4
Body
felony.
armor?
The fourth, possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I found probable cause for all of those allegations. I'm going to appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you.
Hey,
You
shout
have
out
two
to the
court dates coming
304.
up.
Gracias.
The first is a status conference on December the 17th of 2025, 8:30 in the morning. The second is a preliminary hearing on December the 19th of 2025, also at 8:30 in the morning at the Downtown Superior Court. As to the issue of bail, I'm setting bail in the amount of $20,000 secured appearance. In the event that you post bail, I'm ordering that you be supervised by pretrial services with drug testing and monitoring. Additionally, in the event that you are released, do not initiate contact with any arresting officers, do not have contact with any co-defendant, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume alcohol, and contact probation within 72 hours. Do you have questions, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you very much. Please step to your left.
Next. Hey, he is reading off papers.
Number 15, Connor Duncan to the podium. Number,
Hey,
number
when he
27,
said body armor,
Brian Cadena to the chair. You're on deck.
I got a flash memory from the
Good afternoon, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
The Valley shooting.
September 30th, 1990.
Thank you.
The Valley
We are
shootout.
here on 3 cases. One is a Superior Court new case. The second is a Superior Court arrest warrant. The third is an out-of-county warrant from the Pinal County Superior Court.
Hey, what up, Maui?
As to the first case, we're here on 2
What up, Jessica?
allegations. The first is possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. The second is unlawful flight from a law enforcement vehicle, a Class 5 felony. As to the matters marked number 15 and number 16 on the calendar, That is the new case and the bench warrant case out of Maricopa County. I'm going to appoint the Public Defender's Office here in Maricopa County to represent you. As to the out-of-county warrant case, I'm going to order that counsel be appointed for you at the next hearing. The next hearing on your Pinal County case, your out-of-county case, is going to be December the 16th of 2025 at 8:30 in the morning. Your next court dates on the other two cases are going to be December the 17th of 2025, 8:30 in the morning, December the 19th of 2025, 8:30 in the morning, downtown Superior Court. As to the issue of bail on your Superior Court new case, I'm setting bail in the amount of $15,000 cash bond, dollar for dollar. Other release conditions to include, in the event that you do post bail, well, let me move to the other warrants as well. So, as the first case, $15,000 cash only. As to the second case, the Superior Court arrest warrant, I'm ordering $1,000 cash only. As to the out-of-county warrant case, I'm ordering $5,000 secured appearance. Other release conditions to include on the new case, in the event that you do post bail, I'm ordering that you be supervised by pretrial services, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs, do not possess or consume alcohol. You may not operate a motor vehicle whatsoever, contact parole within 24 hours. It appears that you may have another hold in the event that you post bail on these three cases. So do talk to counsel as to whether or not you may or may not want to post bail on these cases, given that there may be a hold. Do you have questions, sir?
Yeah, the holds, the parole holds.
Very good. Anything else, sir?
No.
All right, thank you very much. Please step to your left. Number 27, Brian Cadena to the podium. Number 18, Francisco Rojas to the chair. Good afternoon, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Brian Cadena, 1992, August 30th.
Thank you. We're here on three cases. The first is a Superior Court new case. The second is a Superior Court probation violation warrant. The third is a Superior Court probation violation warrant. As to the first case, we're here on three different allegations. The first is aggravated domestic violence, a Class 5 felony. The second is possession of drug paraphernalia. The third is interference with judicial proceedings, a Class 1 misdemeanor.
32.
The other two are probation violations. I'm going to appoint you counsel as to all three of your cases, as to all three matters.
I didn't kick him. I just
You have court
muted
dates
him
coming up.
for the live. I normally don't like to mute people, but
December the 17th, December the 18th, and December
He
the
is pushing
19th
some
of
people's buttons,
2025. The 17th and 19th dates are at 8:30 in the morning, and likewise on the December the 18th date. All of that is at the Downtown Superior Court. As to the issue of bail, as to your Superior Court new case, I'm setting bail in the amount of $15,000 secured appearance. In the event that you are released, well, I'll back up and go to your other cases. As to the Superior Court probation violation warrant, the first case marked number 47 on the calendar, I'm setting bail in the amount of $1,500 secured appearance. As to the matter marked number 48 on the calendar, I'm setting bail in the amount of $1,500 secured appearance. Combine those numbers, you get your total bail. In the event that you are released on the new case, I'm ordering that you submit to pretrial supervision through pretrial services with electronic monitoring, mandatory installation before release from custody. Do not return to the scene. Do not initiate contact with the alleged victim or victims. Do not possess weapons. Do not possess drugs without a valid prescription. Do not possess or consume alcohol.
thank you for that daily heart.
Just a moment.
Beware.
I'm going to edit number 27. This will be a reprint.
If you're talking about the unmute button, I have no control over the unmute button.
You must obey the terms of any order of protection issued or to be issued. You may not reside at the same location as the
That's
alleged
standard issue
victim
right there.
or go to the alleged victim's residence, even if you're
Thank
the
you,
owner or
Merry
renter of
Christmas
the
to you
residence.
also.
If you have a common residence with any victim, you must find an alternative residence and bring proof of same to your next court date. You may not initiate contact with the alleged victim for any reason, whether direct or indirect, such as through third parties or social media, nor respond from any contact from the alleged victim. Other release conditions will be reduced to writing, which you'll receive in the paperwork that you're about to get. Do you have any questions, sir?
No.
All right, thank you very much. Please step to your left.
So the mute button is coming from the stream, the court stream.
Do you want a minute just to catch up?
And you might be wondering, why don't you just press the mute button or hit that little X, James? Hit that little X
All
and
right,
it'll go
let's
away.
move on to number 18, Francisco Rojas, to the podium. Number 22, Selena Nazaro, to the chair.
If it was just that easy, if you will.
Good afternoon, sir. Please tell me your name and your date of birth.
Francisco Rojas, 102687.
Thank you very much. We're
What up,
here
Cheetah?
on a Superior Court new case on 3 different allegations. The first is fraudulent use of a credit card, a Class 4 felony. The second is theft, control
That
of a
fool looks
credit card,
kind
a
of like
Class
Richard
5 felony.
Ramirez.
The third is theft, control of stolen property, a Class 6 felony. I'm going to appoint, I've found probable cause for all 3 allegations. I'm going to appoint a
Stab me.
public defender's officer to represent you. You got 2 court dates coming up.
Thank you.
The first on December the 17th of 2025 at 8:30 in the morning. The second on December the 19th of 2025 at 8:30 in the morning. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
Those are both at the Downtown Superior Court.
Yeah.
As to the issue of bail, I'm going to set bail in the amount of $5,000 secured appearance. In the event that you post bail, I'm going to order that you be supervised by pretrial services. Do not return to the scene of the alleged crime. Do not initiate contact with the alleged victim or victims. Do not possess weapons. Do not possess drugs without a valid prescription. Do not possess or consume alcohol. Other release conditions to be reduced to writing in the printed orders that you're about to receive. Do you have any questions, sir?
No questions.
All right, thank you very much. Please step to your left.
So Richard Ramirez, he did, but he passed away before. I think he had cancer or something. So
Number 22, Selena
Cancer got
Nazaro, to the podium, and number 9, Jude Flynn, to the chair. You're on deck. Good afternoon, ma'am. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Selena Navarro, 2399.
Thank you very much. We're here on 2 cases. The first is a Superior Court new case. The second, excuse me, is a Superior Court probation violation warrant. As to the first case, we're here on 3 allegations. The first, possession of dangerous drugs for sale, Class 2 felony. The second, possession of narcotic drugs for sale. The third, unlawful flight from law enforcement, a Class 5 felony. Found probable cause for all three allegations. As to both cases, I'm appointing the public defender's
What is she
office
wearing?
to represent you. You have 3 court dates coming up across 2 cases. December the 17th, December the 18th, and December the 19th. For the 17th and the 19th, those are a status conference and a preliminary hearing at the Downtown Superior Court. As to the 18th, that's a probation revocation arraignment and disposition hearing. There are 2 hearings, but they often combine them on the calendar. On December the 18th at the Downtown Superior Court. Excuse me. As to the issue of bail, I'm setting bail in the amount of $7,500 on the Superior Court new case. And as to the probation violation warrant, I'm setting bail in the amount of $500. In the event that you post bail,
All right, thank
I'm
you,
ordering
Cheetah.
that you be
Highly
supervised by
appreciate you.
pretrial services with drug testing and monitoring.
looking
Do not
out.
possess weapons. Do not possess drugs without a valid prescription. Do not possess or consume alcohol. Contact your probation officer within 72 hours in the event that you are released. Other release conditions will be reduced to writing in the orders that you're about to receive. Do you have questions?
How much would that be for the 7,500 one? How much?
So if you work with a bail bonding agency, often the ratio is like 10%. So with 10% from you with collateral, they often do that. However, I'm going to defer to whatever conversation you're going to have with whatever bail bonding agency that you may opt to talk to. So please talk to them as to whatever ratio they're going to require for you to post bond. But for our purposes right now, I'm ordering $7,500 secured appearance so that you may work with a bail bonding agency should you choose to do so. Any other questions?
What kind of shirt is
So
that?
that'd be $500 for the second one, like cash?
$500 secured appearance. Same
Yeah.
thing, but just $500.
Oh,
All
thank
right.
you.
Thank you. Please step to your left.
Are those like the shirts of the ladies that make tortillas? Is that what she's wearing? Yeah, huh?
Right side. Number 9, Jude Flynn to the podium. Number 36, Gregory Milo to the chair. You're on deck.
I don't know what they're called. I don't know. I'm not sure what those shirts are called.
Good afternoon, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Jude Flynn, March 30th, 1980.
Thank you. We're here today on a Superior Court new case on 3 different allegations. The first, aggravated assault with a weapon, a Class 3 felony. The second, disorderly conduct with a weapon, Class 6 felony. The third, threatening or intimidating, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I found probable cause for all those allegations. I'm going to appoint the Maricopa County Public Defender's Office to represent you. You have 2 court dates coming up. The first is a status conference on December the 17th of 2025. The second is a preliminary hearing on December the 19th of 2025. Both of those are at 8:30 in the morning at the Downtown Superior Court. As to the issue of bail, I'm setting bail in the amount of $5,000, secured appearance. In the event that you post bail, I'm ordering pretrial supervision through the Pretrial Services Agency and electronic monitoring, mandatory installation before release. In the event that you are released, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume alcohol. You must obey the terms of any order of protection issued or to be issued. Excuse me. Additionally, you may not reside at the same location as any alleged victim, nor go to the alleged victim's residence, even if you are the owner or renter of that residence. If you have a common residence with any victim, you must find an alternative residence and bring proof of same to your next court date. In the event that you need to gather essential belongings, one civil standby is allowed with a law enforcement officer. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you very much. Please
Thank
step to
you,
your
Your
left. Number 36, Gregory Milo to the podium. Number 24, Max Alcon to the chair. You're on deck.
You're on deck. What are we like in a?
Good afternoon,
Are we
sir. Please
sailors
tell me
over
your name
here
and
or
date
what?
of birth.
Gregory Adam Malau, 239.
Malau. I'm sorry, I pronounced it Milo.
Come
The correct
again?
pronunciation is Malau.
What kind of shirt is
Is
that?
that right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. You said 2-3 of 89?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. We're here on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different cases. The first is a Superior Court new case. The second, third, it's taking a moment, just a moment. Third, fourth, and fifth are all Superior Court probation violation warrants. As to the first case, we're here on one allegation of aggravated assault, a Class 5 felony. As to the rest of your cases, it's alleged violation of probations. It appears that all of them are alleged violations of terms 3 and 5 of probation. As to all of your cases, all 5 cases, I'm going to appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you. You have, let's make sure your court dates are lining up. Yes, you have 3 court dates coming up across 5 cases. What that means is that the new case is going to have 2 court dates, a pair of court dates, and then the remaining probation violation cases is going to have 1 court date where they just consolidate it. They just shift it all into 1 calendar. Okay, so they often consolidate it. They don't always, but they'll most likely consolidate that on 1 calendar. So that means that your court dates as to the new case are December the 17th and December the 19th of 2025 for a status conference and preliminary hearing,
Pac-Man
respectively,
shark?
at the Downtown Superior Court.
It kind of looks like
And
Dragon Ball Z.
for
Kind of like the hair.
Your
I think.
4 probation
do you
violation
guys think?
cases. Your probation revocation arraignment hearing and disposition hearing, again, they often combine those. Those will be on December the 18th of 2025 at 8:30 in the morning, Downtown Superior Court. As to the issue of bail, for your new case, marked number 38 on the calendar, I'm setting bail in the amount of $1,000 secured appearance. As
It looks
to
like he
the
tried to
probation
cut his
violation
hair,
matter marked number 27
but he
on
missed
the
some
calendar,
spots.
I'm setting bail in the amount of $100 secured appearance. As to the matter marked number 36 on the calendar, probation violation matter, I'm setting bail in the amount of $750 secured appearance.
Is his shirt lit up?
As to the matter marked number 39 on the calendar, I'm setting bail in the amount of $500 secured appearance. As to the matter marked number 40 on the calendar, I'm setting bail in the amount of $500 secured appearance. Add those numbers up and you get your total bail. In the event that you do post bail, I'm ordering do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume alcohol, contact your probation officer within 72 hours in the event that you're released. As to the new case, do not initiate contact with any alleged victim or victims. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you very much. Please step to your left.
Gregory, right? Right, Gregory? Gregory? Yeah. Okay. Proceed.
That wasn't a good one.
All right. Number 24, Max Alcon to the podium. Number 11, Travis Hughes to the chair. You're on deck. Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, those
Please
were
tell me your name and
scars?
date of birth.
Max Alcon, 11/21/1989.
Thank you very much. We're here on a Superior Court new case on 3 allegations. The first is theft, a Class 4 felony. The second is recklessly damaging property of a utility, a Class 5 felony. The third is possession of burglary tools, a Class 6 felony. I've found probable cause for all 3 of those allegations, and I'm going to appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you in this case. You have 2 court dates coming up on December the 17th and December the 19th of 2025, both at 8:30 in the morning at the Downtown Superior Court. As to the issue of bail, I'm setting bail in the amount of $2,000 secured appearance. In the event that you post bail, I'm going to order that you submit to the supervision of pretrial services with drug testing and monitoring. Do not return to the scene of the alleged crime. Do not possess weapons. Do not possess drugs without a valid prescription. Do not possess or consume alcohol. Additional conditions to be reduced to writing in the paperwork that you're about to receive, sir. Do you have any questions for me?
So there's no way of being released on my own recognizance? Because I'm just trying to get some type of rehabilitation. Because I wouldn't have even been doing that if I could just get some help, but I've been homeless.
I appreciate your input, sir. Based on the review that I did of the allegations and the background that I was made aware of, that is what brought me to the figure that I got to for bail. So it sounds like you may have some more information in terms of...
What happened?
You want to raise this issue sometime later on down the line with counsel. So I'm going to leave that conversation for between you and counsel. I'm going to affirm the $2,000 secured appearance bond that I fixed for today. Any other questions, sir?
Okay. No.
All right. Thank you very much. Please step to your left.
It was buffering, so we missed that whatever he said. There's a slight glitch.
Number 11, Travis Hughes to the podium. Number 25.
Does he have a bottle of
Adam Duarte
Gatorade in his
to the
hands?
chair.
Is that a Gatorade? How the hell did he get a Gatorade if he's in
Good
jail?
afternoon, sir.
Hello.
Tell me your name and date of birth.
Travis Hughes, 10/31/89.
What
Thank
up,
you
girl?
very much. We're here on a Superior Court probation violation warrant. It's alleged violations of terms 3 and 5 of probation. We're going to appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you. You have 1 court date coming up on December the 18th of 2025 at 8:30 in the morning for a probation revocation arraignment and disposition hearing. Those are 2 hearings, but they often consolidate them on 1 court date. They don't always, but in your case, they did.
You like the suit?
That's at the Downtown Superior Court. As to the issue of bail, I'm going to set bail in the amount of $1,000 secured appearance. In the event that you post bail, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs, do not consume...
37?
Do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, I should say. Do not possess or consume alcohol and contact your probation officer within 72 hours in the event that you are released. Additional release conditions reduced to writing in the paperwork that you are about to receive. Do you have questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you very much. Please step to your left.
Hey, Ruggs will do that to
Number
you.
25, Adam Duarte to the podium. Number 26, Bob Medina to the chair. You're on deck.
Does that have a beanie on?
Good afternoon.
Oh, it's afternoon? Oops.
Time flies.
It does.
All right, please tell me your name and date of birth.
Adam Josiah Duarte, 12/16/1996. Your Honor, before we start,
I thought I had already taken care of this issue or these because it's a warrant, but they're from last time, and last time they dismissed all this, and I got released. So I don't know
picked it
why
up
they
again.
brought this back up. But I was also gonna ask if you could please, because my birthday's coming up and the holidays.
His birthday?
I'm fixing everything right now. I don't have
The
no other
holidays?
issues. I just paid my fines. I'm trying to get released into my people so I can spend my birthday,
Let
spend a
this
long time
gentleman
with
out
them.
of prison or
If I
jail.
could, I'll come to court. I'll do all you need. I got a car, all that.
Hey, what up,
I'm doing good right
Don?
now. That's all I want. I don't want to lose it, what I got going on right now.
I appreciate your input,
We all got
sir.
a lot going on right now.
All right, so we're here on a Superior Court arrest warrant on one allegation of possession of narcotic drugs, one count of possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, one count of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, one count of possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony, one count of shoplifting, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I'm going to appoint the
He was getting ready
Public
for his
Defender's
birthday.
Office to represent you. You have two court dates coming up on December the 17th and December the 19th of 2025 at 8:30 in the morning at the Downtown Superior Court. As to the issue of bail, I'm going to take a look at the docket.
877,
There's no
thank you.
possible recognizance?
Just a moment, sir.
Okay, thank you. Because I do have my mom makes sure I go to court.
Yeah, your mom
She's making sure
makes
that's comfortable.
sure you go to court. Well, she's not making sure you're not off that scante and doing that shoplifting, if you will. All of a sudden using his mom as an excuse like she's a credit card. Come on
Thank you,
now.
sir. I do appreciate your input. However, I'm going to affirm the warrant amount and set bail in the amount of $1,000 secured appearance. In the event that you do post bail, I'm going to order that you submit to pretrial supervision through pretrial services and submit to drug testing and monitoring through pretrial services. In the event that you do post bail, I'm going to order that you do not return to the scene of the alleged crime, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume alcohol, and other release conditions that I'm going to order are going to appear in your written orders that you'll receive. Do you have any other questions for me, sir?
So I can't go out? I can't get out?
Yeah,
I'm
you
setting
can have you pay.
$1,000 secured appearance of the bond, so in the event that you post bail, then yes, you will be released.
I don't have that money,
conditions.
sir.
Hey, man,
I
El
try to
Salvador.
spend my birthday with my
Pollo
family.
Campero
It's
and
been
the
a while since I
pupusas?
haven't seen them. Or
I
spent my
understand
birthday.
that, sir. I understand that, sir, and thank you for your input. However, that sounds like information that you may raise with counsel as to whether or not that is information that you may wish to raise at a later date for a review of release conditions, should you decide to do that. I take no position.
What do you
on
mean?
whether
You
or not
guys are supposed to help us, and you guys make us look. I'm trying to spend my time. I'm losing everything because I'm gonna get locked up, Your Honor. That is not right from you guys. I'm
It
losing
ain't
everything. Like, I don't have nothing. My family don't want me. I'm at the brink of hitting rock bottom. My family's gonna leave me. They're not gonna want nothing to do with me, and all because I came to jail over a warrant.
I appreciate that, sir. However,
Like, I'm willing to work with you, but you just keep
He
saying
said,
that
"I'm
you
willing to
appreciate
work
that, you
with you."
appreciate that, but that's not appreciating. Appreciating will work with me, man.
Understood, sir.
Oh, he's a spicy
Like,
one,
this
is
shit
he?
hurts my heart, bro. I don't have nothing. I'm not even from out here. You think I want to be locked up?
Understood.
My birthday's on the
They won't
16th, and you're
let
gonna have me
you
a court
out.
date the day after?
They won't let
Are you serious right now?
All right, thank you very much. This concludes the initial appearance. Please step to your left.
Don't touch me, bro. Tase him! Tase him!
Damn, son, where'd you
Let's
find
resolve
this?
these in the gallery for a moment.
That was a perfect timing for that song. See you next birthday. Neem. That was just that was birthday.
Thank you, officer. Do we want to take a break?
Nah, we don't need
Good
no
to
break.
go? Are you good to go over there?
Yeah.
You're good? Okay. All right. Where were we?
He's and Mrs. birthday, Christmas, and New Year's.
I'm
You're all
sorry, give me
bad.
just a moment here.
Yes, I'm sorry.
He's gonna be going through withdrawals.
Okay, do we have number 26? We're good. We're all set. Number 26, Bob Medina to the podium. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon.
And number 3, Ruben Moraga to the chair. Thank you.
everybody's like, damn, did you see that guy? That was going to be locked up for his birthday. That would try to do a reverse
All right.
Uno card on the judge.
We
You're
are
supposed
here.
to help me.
I need to ask you your name.
How's he
My
going to
name is
help
Bob
me? He can't
Medina,
even help
July
himself.
1st, 1983, sir.
Thank you, sir. We're here on a Superior Court new case on 2 allegations, one of unlawful flight from law enforcement, the second, driving under the influence of a Class 1 misdemeanor, and the unlawful flight alleged as a Class 5 felony.
That's right, Emily.
What was that? I'm sorry?
2 allegations. The first is unlawful flight from a law enforcement vehicle, a Class 5 felony. And the second is driving under the influence, a Class 1 misdemeanor alleged December the 11th of 2025. I'm going to appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you. You have 2 court dates coming up on December the 17th and December the 19th of 2025 at 8:30 in the morning. That's a status conference and a preliminary hearing, respectively, at the Downtown Superior Court. As to the issue of bail, I'm setting bail in the amount of $3,500, secured appearance. In the event that you are released, I'm going to order that you be supervised by pretrial services with alcohol testing and monitoring. Do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume alcohol, do not operate a motor vehicle. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
Yes, sir. I understand that I broke the law and I deserve to be punished. I'm not sure. I refuse to do the blood test because I'm afraid of needles, and I'm not sure what the first.
Well, sir,
So
if I may just interrupt you for a moment.
Oh, I'm sorry.
First of all, as you heard during the initial advisement recording, you do have the right to remain silent. You do have the right to counsel.
Okay.
And so everything that you say in this room is recorded, maybe
Copy that.
used against you.
Yes, sir.
And streamed on
I
YT
leave that
and
to you as
TT.
to what you're going to say today.
Okay.
But I do want to let you know that. Additionally, part of my concern, sir, is, part of what I have to do is consider arrest histories, conviction
I
histories,
hate
that sort of
needles.
thing. And that helps me get to what I think the risk is in the event that somebody is released. And frankly, I was concerned with some of the allegations that I did read as the operation of a motor vehicle in this case, when combined with the history that I have, that does give me concern as to ongoing community safety. And that's what led me to arrive at the number that I did today. All right. So
Yes, sir.
with that in mind, did you have any other questions for me?
I have no one. I'm a homeowner. I have a job. I don't have anyone on the outside to help me bond me out. I don't have anyone's number. If it's possible, if I could be released on the OR, that way I can take care of everything myself.
All right. Thank you, sir. Well, so I'm not inclined to release you on your own recognizance today. However, I will note that the $3,500 is secured appearance. So you do have the ability to work with a bonding company should you decide to do so. Otherwise, in terms of additional information that you may feel is relevant to the release conditions that I've imposed today, you may consider discussing that with counsel as to whether or not this is going to be appropriate for a motion sometime down the line. However, for today's purposes, I am going to affirm the $3,500 secured appearance bond. Any other questions, sir?
My mortgage is due.
Mortgage?
I'm going to lose everything. If I have no one on the outside, I have no one's telephone numbers. I have nothing to, and I'm a homeowner. Yeah, and I have a
Not
job.
anymore.
Like this is, I understand my history. I've made a lot of mistakes in the past. I've been doing really well. I'm doing great. I'm working. I own a home. I got a job. I got a full-time job. This is going to set me back. I have no one out on the outside to help bond me out. I have no numbers. I will literally lose everything here and won't be able to do anything.
Thank you, sir. What it comes down to, sir, and again, in addition to the things that I've just laid out, I do have concerns when I see the history and I see the nature of the allegations of you behind the wheel of a motor vehicle. All right. So with that in mind, I'm going to affirm the $3,500 secured appearance bond. That concludes our initial appearing for today. Please step to your left.
That fool said affirm. Word of the day is affirm. Defeated. Affirmed and defeated.
Number
Firmly defeated.
3, Ruben Moraga to the podium. Number 8, Michael Huckabee to the chair. You're on deck.
It would have been a lot cheaper to get an Uber, right?
Good afternoon, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Ruben Michael Moraga, 1978.
Don't need blood.
June 29th.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Is
We're
this
here
guy
today
wearing
on a
tracksuit?
municipal court warrant
Affirm happy holidays.
out of the Peoria Municipal Court
The Bubmans will take
on one
your
allegation
house.
of possession of drug paraphernalia, class 1 misdemeanor.
What up, Southside?
I'm going to order that the council be appointed to represent you at the next hearing. Excuse
Yo,
me.
what up, my boy?
Excuse me.
At the next hearing, which is December the 16th of 2025 at 9 o'clock in the morning at the Peoria Municipal Court. That is an arraignment hearing as to the issue of bail. I'm setting bail in the amount of $150 secured appearance. In the event that you do post bail, I'm ordering that you do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume alcohol. Other release conditions will be reduced to writing in the written orders that you're about to receive. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
It's okay.
All right, thank you very much. Please step to your left.
Yes, sir.
Number 8, Michael Huckabee to the podium. Number 19, Christina Rocca to
The
the
judge's
chair.
name?
You are on deck.
It's what is it? What's the judge's?
Good afternoon, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Michael Huckabee,
Daniel
11/12/1985.
Finzel,
Thank you very much.
if you will.
We're here today on a Superior Court probation violation warrant. One allegation of probation violation. It's alleged violations of terms 3 and 5 of probation. I'm going to appoint the Maricopa County Public Defender's Office to represent you. You have
Finzel.
one
It's
court
like
date coming
Denzel,
up,
but
which is a
Finzel.
combined, they often combine them, I should say, a probation violation arraignment hearing and a disposition hearing, both on
In Arizona?
December the 18th of 2025 at 8:30 in the morning at the Downtown Superior Court. As to the issue of bail, I'm setting bail in the amount of $150 secured appearance. In the event that you do post bail, I'm ordering that you do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume alcohol, contact probation within 72 hours if you are released. Other release conditions will be reduced to writing, which you'll receive in your paperwork. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
No.
All right, thank you very much. Please step to your left.
Thank you.
Number 19, Christina Rocca to the podium. Number 4, Isaiah Chaidez to the chair. You're on deck. Good afternoon,
On
ma'am.
deck.
Hi.
Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Christina Rocca, 11/15/89.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Yeah, Christina Rocca, 11/15/89.
89? All right,
Yeah.
thank you. We're here today on 3 cases. The first is a Superior Court new case. The second is a Superior Court probation violation warrant. The third is a Superior Court probation violation warrant. As to the first case, we're here on one allegation of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. And on the probation violation cases, it's alleged violations of terms 3 and 5 of probation. As to the first case, the allegation of possession of dangerous drugs, when I reviewed the narrative, I did not find sufficient information to find probable cause for possession of dangerous drugs for today's purposes only. What that means, ma'am, is that as it has to do with the new case, with the dangerous drugs, in that case only, I'm releasing
Janine,
you.
if you will.
You still have to go to court because the prosecution can still go forward on possession of dangerous drugs should the prosecution believe that they have enough information to sustain that charge, okay? So just for the purposes of bail today, I'm not finding probable cause. However, you still do have court because the state can still try to charge you, okay? So I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you on all 3 of your cases. You're going to have court dates coming up. So 3 court dates, 3 cases. The first 2, and you're going to get all this in your paperwork. The first two are going to be on December the 26th and December the 30th of 2025. That is a status conference and preliminary hearing at the Downtown Superior Court on your probation violation matters. Those are both going to be on December the 18th of 2025 at 8:30 in the morning. Again, those are two different hearings, probation revocation arraignment number 1 and probation disposition number 2, but they often combine them on the calendar to consolidate them. If I didn't say that already, it's at the Downtown Superior Court. As to the issue of bail, as I mentioned before, I'm releasing you on the new case, and number 21 will be a reprint. Let me edit this real quick.
They're in custody. So I'm assuming they just got processed right now. They're in the court.
So 21 Raka is a reprint, but the other two are the same. In the event that you are released, you'll have to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. However, as to the other two cases, I am setting bail. I'm going to affirm the amounts set in the probation violation warrants. So as to the matter marked number 20 on the calendar, I'm setting bail in the amount of $150 secured appearance. As to the matter marked number 19 on the calendar, I'm setting bail in the amount of $150 secured appearance. That's a total of $300 secured appearance. In the event that you are released, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume alcohol, and again, contact your probation officer within 72 hours in the event that you are released. Do you have questions for me? All right. Thank you very much. Please step to your left.
No, it's just.
Yeah, the number 21 is the only one that changed. Got it? Okay. Number 4, Isaiah Chidas to the podium. Number 7, Nikema Myers to the chair. You're on deck. Just a moment, sir.
I'll lose my mind wearing my socks more than 2 days. Or more than 1 day. I hate wearing.
All right. Please tell me your, good afternoon. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Isaiah Chidas, January 27, 2003.
Thank you, sir. We're here on a Justice Court new case out of the Santan Justice Court on one allegation of failure to stop for police when commanded, Class 2 misdemeanor. Given the nature of the charge, I'm not going to appoint counsel for you. However, you do remain, you can still retain your own counsel at your own expense, should you choose to do so. You have a court date coming up at the Santan Justice Court on December the 16th of 2025 at 9 o'clock in the morning. Do you promise to appear?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Then, based on the defendant's promise to appear for the court date, it's ordered releasing the defendant on his own recognizance. That is, with a promise to appear for that court date. If you fail to appear, a warrant can issue for your arrest. Do not possess drugs without
Ohio in the building.
Do not possess drugs without a valid prescription. Do not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. Other release conditions reduced to writing in the orders that you are about to receive. Do you have questions, sir?
Will I be released?
I'm wording that you are released on your own recognizance, yes.
That's right.
So that's with a promise to appear at that court date. So you have to go, and if you fail to appear, a warrant can issue for your arrest. You're going to have other release conditions that you're going to have to follow, and that's going to be in the paperwork that you're going to get.
Okay.
All right?
Absolutely.
Any other questions, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you very much. Please step to your left.
Thank you.
Step to the left.
Number 7, Nikema Myers to the podium. Number 30, Garrett Walker to the chair. You're on deck. Good afternoon, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Nikema Ramon Myers, April 15, 1981.
Thank you very much. We're here on a Justice Court new case out of the El Centro Justice Court on one allegation of resisting arrest, a Class 1 misdemeanor. Based on the nature of the charge, I'm not going to appoint you counsel. However, you can still retain counsel at your own expense. should you choose to do so.
I can't sleep with socks either.
Your next court date is at the El Centro Justice Court. Your next court date is at the El Centro Justice Court on December the 18th of 2025 at 9:30 in the morning. Do you promise to appear?
Yes.
Then, based on the defendant's promise to appear, it's ordered releasing the defendant on his own recognizance, that is, with a promise to appear at that court date. If you fail to appear, a warrant can issue for your arrest. While you are released, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess
when did you go to this courtroom? How long ago?
Other release conditions are reduced to writing in the written orders that you're about to receive. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you very much. Please step to your left.
This is Arizona, Maricopa,
Number
Arizona.
38, Garrett Walker, to the podium. Good afternoon, sir. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
This is Garrett Walker, 1305.
Thank you very much. We're here today on a Justice Court warrant out of the West Mesa Justice Court on one allegation of driving with a suspended license, a misdemeanor.
Hey, congratulations, K8.
Given the nature of the charge, I am not going to appoint you counsel. You can still retain counsel at your own expense should you choose to do so. The next court date is at the West Mesa Justice Court on December the 30th of 2025 at 8:30 in the morning. Do you promise to appear?
I do.
Then, based on the defendant's promise to appear, it's ordered releasing the defendant on his own recognizance, that is, with a promise to appear. So if you fail to appear for that December 30th court date, a warrant can issue for your arrest. Other release orders while you're released: do not possess drugs without a valid prescription. Do not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. Other release conditions will be included in the written orders that you're about to receive. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
That's all, boss.
All right, thank you very much. Please step to your left. All right, we have one more matter. Let's clear the gallery.
Hey, guys, so if you've ever had any trauma before, any childhood trauma, any type of trauma, you're probably going to want to leave just because this is...
Really, we have two more matters, one live and one house call.
It's going to probably be bad. It's going to be some bad charges, and I wouldn't want to open up old wounds, if you will. And I'm pretty sure you can never heal from going through something like that, so it's definitely going to be something ugly.
Are we all set?
Yes.
Okay. Number 45, Angel Rodriguez, to the podium, please.
What up, Janelle?
Good afternoon, sir. Please tell me your name and your date of birth.
Angel Rodriguez, 11/27/2008.
Thank you very much. We're here on a Superior Court grand jury warrant on one allegation of aggravated assault on a correctional employee, a Class 5 felony. I'm going to appoint the Maricopa County Public Defender's Office to represent you, and your next court date is an arraignment on December the 18th of 2025 at 8:30 in the morning at the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bail amount set in the warrant in the amount of $15,000 secured appearance. It's noted that the defendant is under the age of 18. The court has considered the factors contained in the Federal Juvenile Justice Delinquency and Prevention Act. The defendant is to be placed into the physical custody of the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office jail until released upon the posting of bail pursuant to the further order of the court. In the event that
because he's a minor,
you are released, additional release conditions are going to be do not initiate contact with the alleged victim, do not possess weapons, do not possess drugs without a valid prescription, do not possess or consume alcohol. Additional release conditions will be reduced to writing in the orders that you're about to receive. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Please step to your left.
Oh, so I was wrong about that.
That brings us to number...
This is the first time that I've ever seen them clear the gallery
10?
For a minor.
Anna Sigmund, is she a house call? Number 10, Anna Sigmund, is she a house call?
Also, yes.
Okay, and is she present danger of self to others? That's why she's not here right now?
Yes.
Okay. Therefore, I'm going to proceed with the initial appearance of the matter marked number 10 on the calendar, Anna Sigmund, date of birth 12/25 of 03. This is a Superior Court probation violation warrant on one allegation of probation violation, terms 3, 5, and 15 alleged to be violated. I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office and setting your court date on December the 18th of 2025 at 8:30 in the morning for a probation revocation arraignment hearing and disposition hearing at the Downtown Superior Court. Setting bail in the amount of $250 secured appearance. Other release conditions in the event that Ms. Sigmund post bail will be reduced to writing that she'll receive in her paperwork. What I'm going to do now is proceed south side to conduct the in-person initial appearance with Ms. Sigmund. In the event that there are any changes to the release orders, they'll be reflected in further written orders of the court and not on the audio-visual feed here today. With that, we are concluded with the 2 p.m. initial appearance calendar for December the 11th of 2025. We will stand in recess.
Unfortunately I did not catch his name. I was too busy talking. My apologies, but if you guys want to catch his name, these streams are archived on YT. If you jump on over to YT, you can go ahead and play it back and catch the name if you will. Anyhow, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and take a break right now. Man, I've been on for almost 4 hours now. Damn, I've been on for a minute already. I do appreciate you guys. If you haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. Today, just on this stream, we got 80 new followers on this stream. We got over 117,000 taps. So highly appreciate you guys. What's the YT? So it's the same name as this channel, at Collect Call From. Just type in Collect Call From and it'll come up. You'll see the little logo. You see his little logo right here. You'll see it and then you'll know you're in the right place. Nice code. Hey, thank you. Highly appreciate it. My wife gave it to me last year, if you will. Anyhow, hey, I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You have a Collect Call From. And like I say around here, now I got to go. I've been on for almost 4 hours already. I wasn't even planning on being on this long. But hey, I do appreciate you guys. All right. Hey, I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You have a Collect Call From. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it slices out. And with that, we're out. Rato. You guys have a good one. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys. All right, for you guys on TikTok, highly appreciate you guys also. I'm going to take a little break now. Next course should be in about 3 hours. That'll be at 4 p.m. if you're in LA, and if you're somewhere else in the country, you're going to have to figure out the math on that. Can't help you with that.